Hey guys, Audi 2015, Audi Q5 2015. Rear bumper light has been going on and off. Something is wrong there. I did get the light on the dashboard. So very easy. Remove the little cover. Okay guys, so like I said, you will see on the left side, once you pop that cover off, you can insert your screwdriver. It's self-guided, and just unscrew. This is Phillips. Just unscrew that. And it's a self-retaining screw as well, however you want to call that, so it won't get out. Look at it, and then use a little pry tool, plastic or metal, and just gently pry on that, and it should pop out like that. You got it. There we go. And then you have access to any lights you need to. For me, that's just a side light right here. It's a 90 degrees turn. There we go. So like I said, once it's popped out, turn 90 degrees. Actually, that one, depending on how you're looking at it, if you look at it facing that way, it's counterclockwise, 90 degrees. You can pop that bulb out. I don't know if you see. That one is still working, but it's like working on and off. You basically kick it and it starts working, but it's chromed. You can see the plastic is actually burnt, so I need to replace that one. And just slide it out. So, and it looks, I see the filament, but I don't understand why that completely burnt plastic. I don't know if you see the color of it, so it's not good. But anyway, hope you get it. Once you put it back, twist it 90 degrees, pop it back, screw that with a Phillips screwdriver, and put the cover, and that's all you need to do. Okay, any comment, any issues, let me know. See you on the next video.